Hey everyone! Did you know that adding morel mushrooms to your diet can have some amazing health benefits? Let me tell you about 5 of them. First, morel mushrooms are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins B and D, which are great for boosting your immune system and promoting overall health. Second, these mushrooms are a fantastic source of antioxidants, which help fight off harmful free radicals in your body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Third, morel mushrooms are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. They can help you feel fuller for longer and support healthy digestion. Fourth, these mushrooms are rich in minerals like iron, potassium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones, muscles, and blood pressure levels. Lastly, morel mushrooms contain a compound called polysaccharide, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. This means they can help reduce inflammation in your body and potentially alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some morel mushrooms and enjoy their incredible health benefits. Your body will thank you.